So now that our data access layer facade is actually ready, let's try and go into our customer service, because now we actually want to start using this Tier facade finally. So what we want to do is, we have a few options. If we want to make this customer service more unit test friendly, then we actually want to make this a public constructor right here, and this is how you make a constructor, of course. So inside the constructor, I'm going to say to actually start working with this, I need a customer repository. Let's just call it repo for now. And that customer repository, I want that to put inside a local variable. Now I'm using this, I want to show you something here, because I want to show you guys how to use this keyword, which is not something we've done so far. So I'll call this repo like this, and then I'll say this.repo. Now that actually refers to the repo inside the class. So because I put in this in front of it, we'll see this again in Angular. That's why I kind of want to start using it. When you see this in repo right here, you'll actually point right up here for this repo. But the other repo, if I do not put anything in here, then that will actually point to the one inside the constructor or inside a parameter list. It could also work for a method, right? So notice the difference here. When I put in this in front of repo, it's actually for the class, so it's looking for a variable inside the class. When I put it right here, then it's actually looking for it inside a parameter list inside the constructor in this case. So here we have the repo available now, and then in the next lessons we can start using it. But before we do that, we have one more thing we need to fix, because inside the business logic layer facade right now, we actually need to now grab the data access layer facade, DALFacade, let's just put in the right keys here, DALFacade, there we go, and there we need to grab the actual interface we just implemented last lesson. So here we can get customer repository now. And now it's actually available, so it's being passed into the service here, and now the service can start using that repo to actually start working with our data. We'll do that in the next lesson. See you next time.